Right, so this video I'm going to show you how to make a mouse trap or maybe a juvenile rat trap out of a miniature shopping basket. Now the hardest part may be getting the shopping basket. I saw this by pure chance, so I bought one. I don't know if you can get them online, but I was at a local Wickes and I wanted to go in M&S and buy something. I went in there, and when I went in there, as soon as I went in there, I saw these on the shelf. I thought I'm definitely going to get one of them. It's £3. And this is a miniature shopping basket, but it's all metal and made exactly the way a normal shopping basket would be. So M&S is where I got them from. Whether you can get them online, I don't know. But £3, you know, you can't really go wrong. So, I'm going to make a mouse trap or a juvenile rat trap out of it. So luckily, this one I noticed the handles come off easy. They just pull off. So now we've got our cage. I don't want to cut these bits off. You could, but I don't want to cut them off on this one. I want to keep them as it is. So what we're going to need is a piece of wood. What this will fit over. So I've already cut that. So as you can see there how it kind of fits. And what I'm going to do is hammer a couple of these staples in at the back to make like a hinge. If I can get to it, it's going to be pretty hard. I need to get a smaller hammer. If you ain't got staples, you could use bent over nails. It's a bit of a sod getting these in here. Got it. Back one come out. I have to do that one again. So now that's that done, we'll make a little trigger for it. One thing I would say is if you're going to use this for mice, these corner holes, you're going to need to put a bit of wire. Possibly start it there, wrap it round, bring it down, wrap it round, bring it down, or go across that way. But you're going to need to fill these corners in, otherwise a mouse would probably get out of that. So I've got a stick. We're going to do something similar to an Arapuca trigger. Now to make this stay, you may need to cut a little notch here so this will stay there. That's what I'm going to do now. Because it's quite slippery, this wood, so I'm just going to cut a little bit of a notch out of there so that it doesn't slide back, if you know what I mean. Hopefully my arm's not in the way and you can see what I'm doing. If you don't do this, I just don't think the trigger's going to stay there. So I've just cut just a little bit of a notch there. So this is what we've got so far. Right, this one I'm just going to recut slightly longer. That's the thing with these, you've got to try it. So we'll go, just want to make the bottom a bit longer. We'll cut the notch in the same place again. It's the only way you can really do them. You have to just do them, try them. Have a couple of sticks. If you do it the first time it's not quite right, just put another one. I think that's a bit better. May need to cut a little bit of a notch in the top here as well. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hopefully you can see this. That's just so it locks. It'll lock up against there a bit better. That's more like it. Right, now we'll cut the last bit. Right, the last bit I'm just going to use a piece of card. This will be plenty good enough for a mouse or a rat. Should just about hold the cage as well. And should be light enough to stay up, if you know what I mean. If you didn't think it was, what you could always do is put a couple of small sticks down the back of it, just glue them on whatever, like, you know, like a bamboo skewers or something. And we'll give this a try. See if this will hold up. We're going to have to adjust this as well. So these just fit in the corner there. Right, so you can see it now how it's holding up. You can see the slight notch that I put on there. And what you do, put your bait right at the back there, and then the mouse or the small rat will have to climb over that piece of cardboard to get it, and will knock that down easily. So bait right at the back. I have to stand on that, and that's got him. Right, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.